Uncle. Uncle.
Who is that?
It's me, Frank.
Oh. Frankly. Get to see there and sit down.
Uncle, I'm already seated.
Frankly, when last did I see you? Oh, that was when you came to pay the bride price of your wife. I heard you are taking her to Bodo for burial. No, sorry. It's black and white wedding.
Uncle, I am not happy. I am very sad. I need to discuss something with you. But your condition is not good at all.
Frankly. Oh, what condition is not good? Frankly, do you want to join them in calling me a drunkard? My brain works like computer. It works better when I am drunk. Frankly, just tell me what is your problem. Tell me.
Uncle, Cleo is pregnant.
Cleo? Cleo? No, that is not the name of your wife.
She's my wife's sister.
Did we pay her bride price too that day?
No, Uncle. You see, one thing led to another and she became pregnant.
Frankly, what was it that led to another? Oh, your brain let your manhood into the river of joy in between her legs. And you did. Was that it?
Uncle, you see, the deed has already been done. The question now is, what will I do?
The only thing we can do now is just to let me drink in peace. Where's my drink?
My charm?
Yes.
What charm?
Your body charm.
My body charm?
Yeah. Seduction. And he will certainly fall into your trap again. And this time, he will forget about his wife totally.
Seduction.
It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now.
Now this has hit on me.
And I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you.
Listen, I cannot stay in this house with a drunk. I cannot.
Cleo, you have just 10 minutes to pack your things and get out of my house.
Get out of your house. Where do you want me to go to? Answer me. Where do you want me to go to? I've made it clear that I'm not leaving this house until I give birth to this child.
You're the one that put me in this condition. I will not let you push me out. You can kill me if you want to.
But I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't worth it at all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm
Good day, Frank. I have been waiting for you to come and pick the result of the test you had since last month. Doctor, please just leave me. Frank, is there anything you would like to talk to me about? I said, leave me alone.
I really didn't want to hurt you.
It's okay.
I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't worth it at all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not.
Could he have put himself on this because of that result? Am I right? Am I wrong?
It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't worth it at all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it.
Oh my God! May! Is this what you've become?
I was just...
A drunk?
I was coming from there, so I said to go to church. Where I was just...
No.
Coming from.
May. I'm taking you back to the city right now. No. You are coming with me, May. May, no.
Terrible place.
I know.
Yes.
Everything will be fine.
Oh, no. I just want to stay.
May, you're coming with me, please. May, no. You're coming with me, May. No, it's this way. See, that's my car.
I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't worth it at all. You don't want to hear anything I have to say, because you're so mad with me. It was in the heat of the moment, I just never planned it. How it all happened, I don't understand it. You must believe me when I say it was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry.
No. I will not watch this happen. I will have to say by the way.
Was I drunk yesterday again? I think I heard Franklin talk to me at the bar. Was I dreaming last night?
By the way, I greet you.
You are welcome. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Let me get some cola nuts.
Oh, don't bother.
Ah,
I have come to see you for something more important.
is that so? I was also about coming to your place to see you for something important too.
Your brother's son came to my house to tell me about his problem with his wife. He said he came to see you, but you were not in a good condition.
Franklin impregnated the sister of his wife.
Yes, he did. But what do we do?
I think we have to see our in-laws first.
We cannot go without Franklin. You have to invite him. Let us all go together.
No. Let us see our in-laws first.
In that case, let us move.
That's good. Let me dress up and go so that we can go. Yes. My friend, what do we do now?
I told you it will be formal to come with Frank.
As it is dangerous to go with him.
I heard he was here before.
My friend, I know what I am talking. I know what I am saying.
So what do we do?
Let us go home and think.
It is appalling how you've become a weakling. And you want to allow your sister take up your star. You left your job, you left your house, even when I asked you to go back and reclaim it.
Life is wicked. Life is useless, Shola. It's vague. Like it's insipid. It doesn't make any sense.
I know, man. But you have to wake up.
No.
You have to wake up and fight. Fight for what belongs to you.
It's too late to fight. I cannot fight over a man who didn't think of my feelings before sleeping with my own sister.
May, it's not too late to make amends. You have to fight for Frank.
No.
Please.
No. 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 No.
Chum chum love they worry body. Longer to root to the worry belly. Chum chum love they worry body. A woof they run belly. Chum chum love they worry body. Longer to root to the worry belly. Chum chum love na wahala. Na some more chum chum you want chop. After you chop you run. You can't walk you for to lot. Na to chop kill him out to a chum chum. Now waiting you go talk. All your body they hot and your head you want scatter. Chum chum love they worry body. 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 Chum chum love na wahala. Na some more chum chum you want chop. After you chop, you run. You can't walk you for to lot. Love for don't hook for to lot. Now waiting you go talk. All your body they hot and your head you want scatter. Chum chum love na wahala. Na chum 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 love they worry body. You know big chum 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 love they worry body. I just one hand. Chum 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 love they worry body. Now waiting you go talk. All your body they hot and your head you want scatter. Chum chum love na wahala. Na chum 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 love they worry body. You know big chum 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 love they worry body. I just one hand chum 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 love they worry body. To chum kill him out chum 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 love they worry body. Na chum 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 love they worry body. You know big chum 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 love they worry body. I just one hand chum 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 love they worry body. To chum kill him out chum 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 love they worry body. Chum chum love they worry body.
Babes, I think I have him here in my palms right now. I roll him from one side of the house to another. And guess what? He has started looking lustfully at my body again.
For real?
Yeah.
Now you're talking. Just keep giving him more of you until he gets lost having you. I know you do. Bad girl. Baddest girl.
Trust me. Trust me.
He has started falling lustfully for her. And the idiot is not even thinking of rewarding me as a master planner. think I know what to do. I will shake the table. I will shake the table terribly.
Good morning, May.
Hi, Dr. Dean.
Where have you been, May? I was at your office last week, but no one was able to tell me your whereabouts.
I took a break.
May, are you alright?
I'm fine, really, yes. I'm fine.
That's alright. Well, your test results are ready and I've been wondering why you and Frank are here to come and pick them up.
Dr. Dean, I do not want to talk about Frank.
Listen, May, I know that whatever it is that your problem has a solution.
I repeat, I do not want to talk about Frank.
Listen.
I have... Please.
I hope this is not causing a problem between them. Papa, that was what happened.
Do you know I've been calling Franklin and Franklin refused to pick my calls? We need to see our in-laws so that we clear this matter to prevent it from being a thing of laughter.
Papa, I think we should be very careful not to create more problems between the both families.
What Cleopatra has done is an abomination. Totally disgusting.
Permit me to ask, Frank. Are you no longer in good terms with me?
It's a long story. A shameful one at that.
Listen, Frank, I can assure you that your condition has a solution. Yes, it has.
What solution? There is no solution to shame.
Listen to me, Frank. I know what I am saying. I have handled cases like this in the past.
Enough! I do not need your advice or anyone's advice. Leave me alone.
Okay, I am sorry. I'm sorry, Frank.
Oga Boss, boss of all drunken men, kill yourself with this. Rubbish.
This is why I always say you are boring.
Shola, what have I done again?
Come on. You've been blushing ever since we got here. You said you had something to tell me.
Yes, I did. It's something that I've been keeping within me for a very long time now.
You love me?
Yes. Yes, I love you. And I really want to marry you. Yes.
And what will be the result of our union? Kids? Listen, marriage is overrated. I'm no longer bothered about getting married. It's boring.
Come on, Shola, I'm going to make it very, very interesting to you, I promise. I cross my hands. I will. Yes.
Why do you want to marry me?
First of all, you are bold, blunt and beautiful. The sound of your voice is like the morning bird singing. You are like a new song to me. Yes.
Now you're sounding romantic.
Am
Let's go somewhere romantic and talk more.
I will love that. Thank you very much.
Very wrong for Franklin to live under the same roof with that woman. What do we call this? Bride price barter. He will not be allowed to put our family into shame because this has never happened in our family before.
Papa, I have told you I'm involved in this. Everything will be fixed.
If I get to his house, I will spit on that woman's face before pushing her out.
Papa, you want to go to his house?
Yes. I want to go and show that woman that I am angry.
Yes. I am going out now and I'll come back immediately and I'll take you to the city. Yes.
Thank you very much. Let me get ready.
Let me go and sit by you.
Okay. Thank you. Let me get ready.
Papa, I knew you would be here. I knew you would be here because we are not at home. Papa, now you are drunk.
Who is talking? Who is that is talking? Is that Franklin?
Papa, not up to an hour I left you. You are already drunk. How do we get to the city?
What's the city?
Tokwam.
What's the city? Did the way even talk of any city?
But you and I agreed to go to the city so you could talk to Franklin.
You can go. You can go to the city. I will join you later. I might even get there before you.
Tokwam.
Let me enjoy this thing that is doing turning inside the glass.
Papa.
want to hear anything about your pregnancy or money.
I want to talk to you about my sister.
Your sister? Is she alright?
I have been keeping this secret from you. Now that I'm carrying your child, I believe we share one blood. And I need to tell you.
Can you just go straight to the point?
Okay, fine. When we were in secondary school, please, promise you won't be angry with her if I tell you.
Hey, listen, if you're not ready to talk, tell me. I'll leave here now. What's the problem?
Okay, fine, sorry. I'll tell you. When we were in secondary school, she got pregnant for the principal. And she went for an abortion. Along the line, something went wrong with her womb. And her womb was cut off. Yes, it was removed.
What? You're lying to me, right?
I cannot lie to you. I cannot. I'm sorry I've been part of the secret. Take it easy, please.
Listen, I know everything. For your information, anywhere you see me, just run. Because if I catch you, man, if I catch you, what I will do to you, you won't like me. Prostitute. Don't worry, just wait for me. Anywhere I see you, even on the road, anywhere I see you, I will embarrass you. Useless thing.
After you chop, you don't know. You can't walk you for to lot. Not to chop, kill him out to a chop chop. Now waiting, you go talk.
Listen, Dr. Vane. I am here to register for antenatal and not for counseling or for you to start asking me stupid questions about the father of my born child. I left your office because of this rubbish you were saying, and here you are blocking me. What is your problem? Can I go, please?
Well, the truth is you have severe hepatitis B, and it is important that you and your husband get treated so that it will not affect your unborn child.
Whoa, doctor. Severe hepatitis, what? How?
B, you heard me.
Doctor, I'm healthy. Look at me very well. I'm full of life. I'm healthy. How did it happen?
Just tell your husband to come for treatment.
Coming, who is there? I'm coming.
This is for you, man.
Thank you. Have a seat.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. May, this is Dr. Vane. Vane, this is me.
I know her.
You do? My husband's a doctor.
Your family doctor, Randa.
You're welcome, Dr. Vane.
What is wrong with her?
She's having a little problem with her husband.
Is it because of his health issue?
Health issue?
Well, never mind. I saw Frank at the bar the other day and he behaved so rude to me.
Forget about Frank. Please, what do you want to eat? I have amala and a wheat.
Anything will be fine, but before then, can I share a little secret with you?
What secret?
It's about Frank and me.
We need to talk.
Talk about what?
The doctor says he was sick.
I'm not ready to see any doctor.
You, the baby, and I have severe hepatitis B.
What?
So you see, we need to see the doctor.
I'll see my own doctor.
I mean, my woman confirmed to me that she was diagnosed of hepatitis B, and that there's any possibility that I contracted it.
Your woman? Is it me?
It's a long story. She's a woman from the mistake of the past.
Well, Frank, I'm sorry to say this. Whoever told you you have hepatitis B lied to you. From the result, it shows you have a slight malaria.
You mean I do not have hepatitis B?
Exactly. Your test shows non-reactive.
Nothing at all.
You heard me right, nothing. But however, there is something very important we need to talk about.
Right.
It has to do with you and your wife, May. Listen, Frank.
Hey, doctor, please. I don't want to discuss anything about me.
Frank, please.
No, doctor, it's alright. Thank you for this information, alright? I'll be on my way now.
Frank?
It's fine, doctor.
Frank? It's alright. Frank?
Hey, hon.
Did you see the doctor?
I do not have hepatitis B.
What? How is that possible?
Listen, I'm not in the mood to talk.
Chum love they worry body. Longer to root to the worry belly. Chum love they worry body. A woof they run belly. Chum love they worry body. Longer to root to the worry belly. Chum love na wahala. Na small chum you want chop. After you chop you run. You can't walk you for the road. Not to chop.
You're welcome. How was work today?
Fine.
Chum love they worry body. Chum love na wahala. Na some more chum chum, you want chop. After you chop, you run. You can't hook you for the road. Love for don't hook for the road. Now waiting you go talk. All your body they hot. And your head you want scatter. Chum chum love now wahala. Now chum chum.
Let me get you something to eat. I'll be right back.
You know big you chum chum love they worry body. I just want hand chum chum love they worry body. To chum killing mouth chum love they worry body. Now chum love they worry body. You know big you chum love they worry body. I just want hand chum love they worry body. To chop killing mouth chum love they worry body.
Do you like the
chum love they worry body. Chum love they worry.
Are you still angry with me?
Who washed my clothes?
I did. I used the small washing machine. Can I get you some fruit juice? You know, we are all human and we make mistakes. Please give me a chance to fix this mistake. And I promise to make you happy for the rest of your life. I'm sorry.
Chum love they worry body. Longer to road to the worry belly. Chum love they worry body. A woof they run belly. Chum love they worry body.
Thank you so much, my darling. You are just the best. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
You are amazing. What's up? Yo, Bobby. What's up, bro?
Yeah. Frank, I don't want to say anything about the state I met you both.
It's nothing. It's just a hug.
Just a hug?
Yes.
Why do you stop talking about your wife, May?
Listen, Bobby. Nothing. I mean, she said she doesn't want me anymore. She said it's over, so...
Oh, really? Yeah. Frank, please, correct me if I'm wrong. I thought we were on the same page. On the page of trying to fix your marriage.
Yes.
So?
But I can't kill myself. I mean, I tried to make it work. Listen, the truth is, I am tired of begging. I am tired of begging for her forgiveness, so I just left it.
It does not matter how many times you ask for her forgiveness. The most important thing is that you make her to forgive you.
You're right. But you see, the truth is, I have discovered a lot of things about her.
Oh.
Yes. I now know a lot about her past. So let's be.
Can you hear yourself? Why don't you go take the bride price on her head and make clear your wife?
Hey, you didn't just say that, did
you? You heard me right.
Listen, Bobby, let me just get you something.
I'm okay, I don't want anything. Just increase the AC for me, that's all. I'm hurt.
Listen, in 5 minutes time, you'll be cool. You just got here. Bobby, my man.
Yes? How did you find me here?
Why have you been avoiding me?
I have not been avoiding you. I've simply been busy. Listen, you have to go, okay?
Okay, please, sorry, please, I've been very sick. I need some money to go to the hospital.
Okay, fine. Just go. I'll come to you tomorrow morning, okay? I'll bring the money to you tomorrow morning. Huh? You have to go. I don't want Frank to see you here. Get going, please.
Okay. Can we meet at the bar?
Which bar? Excuse me? I don't go to such bars anymore, okay? Please leave. Just go. I don't want to get infected. Just go. Turn around. Turn around. Yes, that's the gate. Now get going. Leave. Go, 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 go. Please leave. Leave.
Now being given a class by Chloe after all I have done for her. No, there's no way I will let this go just like that. I will deal with her.
Frank, I need some money to take care of something. Else, things will go from bad to worse.
What's going on? What's the problem?
I need 1 million naira for
1 million? For what?
Frank, my life is in danger. Please give me the money.
What danger?
May. Her friends are threatening to kill me if I don't give them the money I owe them. Please, Frank, give me the money. Just 1 million naira.
Just slow down. All we need to do is to report them to the police.
No. I don't want to get the police involved, okay? I can fix this myself. Just give me the money, please.
All right, it's okay. Let's just go inside.
Okay.
May.
What is she doing here?
What are you doing here?
I came here to see this to the end. I'll go down, no doubt, but not without one of you.
I don't know what she's doing. You know what? I don't know. Just get out of my house.
Yes, just get out. I'm not moving an inch away from here. Bride price paid, I have a stake in this house. And you, I forgive you. I hear you're sleeping in my bedroom, or rather, I see you're sleeping in my bedroom. Go there, pick your things, and get out of that bedroom now. I must see this to the end.
Then do something. Call security or something and take her out of this house.
Chloe, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Go up there and pick your things. Stop begging her.
Hey, listen, just
watch your mouth.
Calm down.
Stop begging her.
Listen,
watch your mouth.
Calm down. What's the problem? Calm down.
Watch it. Go and pack your things out of my room.
She has finally remembered me. The evil bird has finally remembered the father today. what exactly is the problem that brings you to my house? Because I know you will not come to me when you are all right.
Papa. Papa, please. Can we go inside and talk?
I ask a simple question. What is your problem? Now listen, if you cannot say it here and now, forget it. As you can see, I am going for a meeting.
Okay, Papa.
Oh, don't worry. Just go in there and wait for me. When I come back, I will know if I have your time or not. You are not saying anything.
I am tired.
You have tuberculosis.
Papa, I don't want to die.
You don't want to die.
Yes. Yes, Papa. Papa, please. I want you to help me with some herbs. I know you can cure this.
Let me ask you, when last did you come visiting me? Did you in any way remember to send any gift to me after getting that job? Listen, and listen very good. I am not ready. Nothing will change my mind in giving you any help.
Honey, your food is ready. Excuse me. What are you doing? I prepared this food for my husband. And you're still eating!
What's going on here?
Can you imagine? I woke up early to prepare your breakfast and this thing jumped on it.
Better behave yourself. Else I'll slap you again until your broken manners are fixed. Don't. Don't.
Frank, did you see that? Frank, don't just stand there. Didn't you see what she did to me?
I mean, what's the meaning of this rubbish? I mean, why would you just slap her like that?
Don't bother me. I'm trying to eat something now. Don't.
I will food the rum belly. Chum chum love the worry body. Don't get to root to the worry belly. Chum chum love the worry body. I will the rum belly. Chum chum love the worry body. Don't get to root to the worry belly. Chum chum love na wahala. Na some more chum chum you want chop. After you chop you run.
how was work today?
Yeah, hectic, but thank God, I am so
Okay, not to worry. I'll get you a glass of juice while I fix something delicious for you to eat.
I can't wait.
I'll be right back.
Alright.
Chum chum love their worry body. Chum chum love na wahala. Na some more chum chum you want chop.
Here you go.
Now you chop you don't know. You can't walk you for the hook for the road. Now waiting you go talk. All your body they hot and your head it wants scatter. Chum chum love na wahala.
What was that for?
Love they worry body. You know big chum 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 love they worry body.
May.
I just want handle chum 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 love they.
Don't just stand there, May. Do something. Get out of this house. Beat her blue black. Just do something. So go.
Chum 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 love they worry body. You know big chum.
Make sure you beat her very well. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
What is wrong with you? Did you just walk out on me? I was going to work this morning, you came up with your stupid drama. And now you drank my juice and came here to sit like nothing happened. What is wrong with you?
I heard what she asked you to do to me. Beat me black and blue, right? Wait, let me show you. Release your fist. Don't put your fist on me. Because if these hands come anywhere close to me, I will slit your throat. And I mean that. Beat her blue black. Beat her blue black.
I promise you I will do something about this. Trust me, I will do something about this.
I will food they run belly. Chum chum love they worry body. Long at the road to the worry belly. Chum chum love they worry body. I will they run belly. Chum chum love they worry body. Long at the road to the worry belly. Chum chum love now.
Honey, I have told you I will do something about this. Please, just let me handle this.
If I knew you wouldn't defend me and this child, I wouldn't have opened my legs for you in the first place. How could you watch like a weakling while she slapped the mother of your unborn child? How could you?
That's why I said I will do something about it. You know what? I will involve the police. Yes, I will use the police and send her out of this house. That's what I will do.
Frank, can you hear yourself? Frank, just listen to yourself. You need to get the police to send the woman that is molesting your wife out of your own house. Frank! You're just ridiculous. Just get out. Get out!
This is not me. This must be a dream. I need to wake up from this dream. No, I am not dreaming. I need to let May know that this house belongs to me.
Sunny! Sunny!
Yes, ma. Ma?
Lock that gate. Make sure nobody goes out unless your Oga comes back.
Yes, ma.
Better still, make sure nobody drives out of this compound until your Oga gets back.
Yes, ma.
My friend, go open the gate. Let me drive out. I have an appointment to catch up with. Go!
Madam has said what I will do.
Who is the madam? Are you stupid? Who has been feeding you for the past few
Do
months
not
in this
use
house?
wrong languages in my presence. I am going to have to teach you a lesson if you do not behave yourself clearly. Sunny, you can go.
Madam, anything else?
Bless you, Sunny.